Come here, let me talk to you a little bit. Jada.
Yeah.
You know something I love you, not true?
Yeah.
And you are the only niece we may have. You understand? You have only nephew, you know, but you are the only niece. I would love to see you come out to something good in a real life. You understand?
Yeah, I understand.
So please, me they beg you, stop follow the company them where you follow. Them kind of company they when me see you with. Them the people they don't mean themselves no good. Them a bad influence. Them a got influence you to do wrong things, bad things at the wrong time. And you go sorry. You see a little and nice? Would like you to get pregnant before time. You understand? And you see them your man nowadays, they only want to see with little breast and little body. And then they say you're a big woman, but remember your age. You hear? You is a child, so act your age. Me notice from other day, watch ya. One to Brazil, they went by you. Fix up yourself nice.
But the yard me in a
yard, you just a come off the road, so nobody not the on the road. Or who the on the road, it look like they ain't blind. But let me tell you something. Care down this little further. Stop expose a little nice body for the man them come spoil it up before time. Anyway, me go pack out the things that, you know what? Me go for something in there so. I'm going to show you when I want you to help me pack out on the shelf. Jada,
yeah.
Look for me when I talk to you and say yes, Auntie, have manners. You feel say me your size?
No, Auntie.
Jada, you see how I treat you good? Because I don't want you to walk and beg nobody nothing. And I take care of you the best way like you're my own child. Anyway, a long time I have one little saving and save for you because I want to send you to go to college. So you need to take your book and take out man out of your head. I mean, we are not done, you know. But sometimes you little pick me, you have the ability and the potential to do no work at school, but take a friend, you don't listen. And if you don't listen, you're not going to learn. Anyway, I have something in the shop when I want you to help me pack out. I go for them and carry them out. So, are you walk down the south with me and follow me go walk and sell them because nothing can go on the day dead. Nothing can go on. Soon come.
Hello? Soon talk.
See them here? I walk and sell them when you're going to walk up and down with your friend then. Nobody will be walking up and down today.
Cost and hat.
You don't have to go walk and sell them in a Jada. You can't help me pop them out in the fridge. You understand? Because they need, hey, I sell them, you know, to save up the savings when I have to send you to college, you know. And right now, college money, I know kidney money, I know baby money. A big man money. We need to sell out this stuff them to get some more new stuff. To save up more on the little savings when I have to send you to college class. Me want you can turn doctor or flight attendant or some nurse, something successful in a life you must become. You hear what me say?
Yes, Auntie.
Me no want no worthless niece around me. Look how you're nice and pretty. Don't make them boys turn in an idiot.
Auntie, every day I get up with the over and over conversation.
Jada, you see if me never mean you no good, Hmm? I wouldn't they try with
A
you.
older me I get in a older me I get. You cannot get up every day. La 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 la.
Don't worry yourself, man. You see, when I get big, you go thank me for everything when I do for you. Anyway, you see, being as you say, the sun hot, nobody go up on the road go sell this. Carry them, go pack them in the fridge. Go. Alright. Me I go carry them back here, go downtown, go sell them. They go exchange them and take some other liquor. Go on inside, go pack up them. Anyway, the taxi man soon come, me already calling.
Right now, tell a girl a low slow.
You said one from down, so
This thing should happen.
real trainer.
I tore off in a car for a long time and
I style him, I try style of you.
call her yesterday, she a grown and a come around. And I say, no, see me allow out that girl. And she say, this thing should happen. Real.
Just have to do it right there. We can't make them clown you out in here, see me?
That one. And one night time, they go call her and say me have 15 then, you know, and give her, you know. But through me, she say she not real. I no give her it.
Brother, that the girl didn't deserve 15 grand. Right now, some bullet with a girl buy too.
No, what kind of bullet? Brother, right now, some money you want on the ends to uplift.
Brother, we can't make no man run the block, you know. We have to run that ourselves, you know.
Brother, I'm not right now to girl and money no right now. I'm not them shit.
Yeah, boy, you have them things that you back yourself.
Them things they have to do that, yes, but we have to look for it better, right? Right now, I'm hungry. You have nothing can give me for it?
No, you just tell me, say, you give girl 15 grand.
I say, I did that, them there. Brother, right now, bill off for that.
So you did that, the money there.
That done, brother, me I show you. Some better life we want to live right now.
Yo,
You know, want to go on jet ski and them things there.
You have to put money to use, brother. You can't just spend so. You have to think about tomorrow too, you know.
True that. Same thing I tell you, you can't slow your gun business too.
No, brother, you have to have bucket.
Listen to what me I say now, love a gun business. In a rarity.
That's a crap, brother.
You always hold in. You just have to show you and give you advice and try to show you the right way. But if you want to hold with, yeah.
Hello? Babes, you know, say me there for here, they can come check me. I have something to talk to you about. Serious. Come check me now.
Alright, I'll come get you.
Alright, me I wait for you.
And I charge them the short.
No, and I be short.
Them things that me I tell you about, brother. Them a give you money.
Listen to me, no, man. You don't know what she call me about. We link up. Just stay safe when you grab me. See I ride the bike there for a day and the lower 5 bike.
Go and go link it.
Yeah.
Oi! Yeah, come there.
Come in, my son, cannot lose me for color.
I'm going.
You see that now, very urgent.
I want to tell you one joke. My miserable auntie that talked to me not too long and she mentioned say she has some money I save up to go to college.
Money?
Yeah.
A lie, I tell you.
Let me tell.
So where they? You don't know where they?
It in our house.
Go for can't take out all you want thing and answer.
So what are you planning idea?
Go feed and you will know. Hurry up. Mad in idea.
15 grand, me take out to me.
So me know you rate me, you know. So you do know.
Anything, maybe go get ice cream or
So
something.
this here,
We can't go change,
I
but
don't like how you shoot my property, you know. I don't like them thing there.
babes, come on. We have money, we can go enjoy. We have.
One go change and come.
Babe, guess what? Me can't change because my auntie tell me I'm not for left yard. I don't want to go change. So if she come and me reach late, me can't tell her say I done the road, me go or something.
Maybe just late for a second. Girl up. How much should that be the cake?
It all depends on the cake that you choose. The choice of cake determines your final price.
I go with the cone ice cream, 1 spoon. First.
Dinner,
No. Alright. I'm a miserable woman,
what are they? So, I'm there say, I never really dare take you serious at first. But what you do for me today, you call me and give me a piece of cheese and I'm rate you for that. You see me? And I'm not telling you lie, I don't really trust a woman like that.
Babes, really?
Nah, tell you no lie.
Babes, let me tell you something. You see, if I never real, I would do what I do today. Worse, my auntie say I'm money for go college. I'm a risk it and take out. Look at the money. We can go enjoy ourselves, spend a little time with you. What you mean? You not trust woman.
I really you still not walk me in the past.
But you cannot put your past in your present.
True that. But as I say, I really rate you for that. If I rate you before, I really rate you now. I hope so we have a long thing in the future.
I hope so too.
But anyway, still, around night tomorrow, I go chip chat with David something up the line and forward back.
Seriously, how long you going to take for come?
I don't really know yet still now. Because I don't really know what I'm going to do. But somebody link about something and I did. I don't know how long it will take, but I'm going to come back. I don't really stay long, I think. This I really test the relationship and see how strong it be. You see me? Because I say how far I go there now. I don't want to hear say you're dead on here. I don't know, foolish, a flirt around. You see me?
Be really?
You know me a whole heap of nigga.
Really? Me not them kind of woman there, but flirt.
I just say.
But you even deal with your friend there much less. So you feel say that.
So you dip on the road and I walk up.
Yeah, because I don't know if my auntie reach up it, you know.
So come in.
Hello. Jada?
Yes, auntie?
Me no left in the yard. What? Where you coming from?
Then the road, then a shop.
You sound like your stomach, so get up. Jada,
Yes, auntie?
where you they come from?
Then a shop, me go buy something to eat. I'm hungry.
Shop.
Yeah.
Where you get money from?
$100 me did have.
$100.
Yeah.
You just tell me, say, you they come from shop. Where the item where you buy?
I drink coffee juice, so me I come.
What kind of juice you buy? And who you buy it from? Me they go down at the shop right now.
But then at the shop, then at the corner, where then the sun go.
And only for shop they way down at the corner there. So which one of the shop they go? Because I know everybody down the road.
The last shop.
Me notice from the other day, you know, Jada. A bill you tell me. You make me can't trust you, Jada. Jada, look how me love you. Look how me take care of you. Jada, me talk to you.
But auntie, a shop me I come from.
The way me talk to you like me your own mother. Biological mother. Jada, me no want you put yourself in no problem. Jada, I hope you're not good on the road going on a mix up, you know.
No, I just shop me go.
Jada, me know say me mad long time, but me no feel mad today. I swear say I glimpse somebody like you in the town.
No, auntie, a shop me go.
You sure say your name there? No which part, no ice cream place there where they sell ice cream right now. Oh my God, that's
You
all.
know long me not eat ice cream, auntie. You know long?
Alright. Don't worry yourself. Anyway, come here. Cause you look suspicious, you know. You look suspicious and I don't know if you tell me the truth. Turn around. Your clothes look so dirty up. Where you come from?
Then a shop, Auntie.
Shop again. Jada, me not trust you.
Auntie, I don't shop. You cook?
All that on your mind is food. Me they talk to you, you they talk about food. What that on your foot?
What that?
What you mean, what that? Jada, what on there? Jada, what them there on your foot? Jada, so me start blind too? Me not bother mad again? Jada, that look like a sun. You go beach, Jada?
No, Auntie, me don't know if I look outside. Me don't want to build stuff to build up the house.
So
No walk on.
And this a road you walk on come up here?
Yes, Auntie.
So I never ask for again on Sun Road. Jada, me need to check you out. Come go in my house. Sun, take off your slippers, Your slippers full of sand.
And can go bed first.
Bed?
I'm sweat.
Jada, go on up there, son. One in my house. One in there. Jada, please don't get me on my wrong side today. Tell me the truth where they come from. One inside. Only could it an outer than lie.
I don't know.
What you mean you don't know and to live here?
I don't know, I just come here, I don't know.
Are you in there so you must know when there?
I just come here, I don't know.
Well, I'm a partner money, me come bout.
You don't call her?
Me a call her and me not get her. Me a text her and me not get her. Me not see DP fear. You go right to voice me like she block me. And I hit me come for today and today now pass it. Me not get it.
That know me and you giant partner.
Okay. Okay, Miss Attitude. I will wait to talk to her. So if you lock up in there, tell him to come outside.
You know call her?
Like you know you saying block me. Cause me a idiot. Me a big head bud. He gone but seen slippers there. Who we are
Who we are you? I don't know for slippers that.
Who we are you?
I don't know, I just come and say, yes, me on sit down from me open the gate and come in.
Yeah man, cause you live here but outside you sit down too. You can't trick me. No, no, you can't trick me. I tell them me want me money. You ain't gone.
You can't go up the road, you know. Cause you feel like I go sit down there and wait with you. Even like people.
You don't feel like me. You don't feel like me. And your auntie me don't like. And your auntie me want me money from. So you don't feel like me. And you not put on my pot. Me tell you that. Cause you can't general me. Me tell you all down. You can't general me.
Yo! Where you going? Yeah, go there for the me say you for my boy you go on it.
No one.
Me say you take things serious, you know.
Yeah, I rate the youth and I love him, so I expect.
So you feel like he ain't good enough for you?
Of course.
Me glad you come. Me couldn't wait for you come. So me a call and text you, me not get you.
What you frightened me for? Eh?
Me a call you, me a text you, me not get you.
Look here. Look here. See what I not like with Uno people? You're not even show your auntie this week. It's a matter of fact. What you do you so? And no time for you get dry yet, you know?
What you mean no time for me get job? Me not fi show me hand for this week, cause this week you say me I get pay. When you give me the job, me give you me hand out there. So just I job me come for. Cause since me a call you and I text you, me just feel this not too long left you so, you know. And me a talk to her and she gone, you know. In tail in her box and just gone, you know. So me a wait for you, you come now. You can go inside, you look upon the money can come.
Are you a dumb or dumbest? Let me
The
tell you.
dumbest.
The dumbest. It looks so fit true. Because I tell you that you going to get your partner on the 16th and you come on the 8th 1 week before. Me not understand you. What you do on me yard? Excitement you come for create like I said me go take away your money. When a year time, what you do you so now?
Yeah, this week you tell me. This week so me come for because nobody not can trust a your shop, you know. You not trust, you don't do nothing at all for nobody free. And me work hard and trump hard and me a call you, me a text you. And you a woman always have your phone. Give me job, make me go on my yard, man.
You cannot get it before the time. And me now go give you another man draw when it's not your time. When your time, girl, go on out of my yard. You don't love excitement here? And what you mean you can't tell me say? Because you forget draw. That mean you don't have to choice. You know what? Let me come go in my house because I'm tired, the sun hot. You alright? Go on out of my yard.
One thing me tell you now. Just when me come next week now, if me partner man if tell me no push a nasty story, you know. A problem between me and you, you know. Problem. Alright.
You see people like Uno, when you love true partner, and Uno want first draw, second draw, third draw. And when you no get to no hand, Uno no bother busy with the rest of people there, but you're not going to come put me in no trouble. Go on in your yard.
Me say no make me get me money next week. Mark, what today? You say me no get my money next week, like when you say next week me I get it. You shall
You
see
see
me.
you? One and you have in there. And people in there will have all 3, 4 and they not behave like you. Guess what? Me tell you the 16 and if you go and talk too hard, you see next week when you come next week, somebody else get a job with a 4 and in there. You're a wicked girl. A 1 and you have in there, me take time and pinch you and tell you something with you. And you're ready for create excitement for the rest of people them who have them 3 and 4 and when you get not even 1 dry yet, if you can't argue with me. You see what
Me a create excitement.
me know me can go and say you want me figure out, then you not throw back the people them money for give me, then you put me in a trouble. You not make no police.
Me a create excitement.
Go on out of me yard.
Me a create excitement. Let me come next week and me don't get my money. 1 stick of matches and 1 buckle. A cursing and me like this. Remember me tell you.
She not out me door.
She not in there.
She not did it.
Why you feel so?
Because me and come from far.
Wow. So, I have a picture with you in my phone. But may I take one picture? So yes, I can go and check you later.
Come check me for.
So me and a friend.
The only check you when I come over the come check and maybe I support my auntie bar and buy out the bar.
Then when you can do that and have fun.
What kind of fun?
Girls just want to have fun and I want to have fun.
No.
You smoke and them things there?
No.
So you not drink rum?
No, I'm not interested. Just come support my auntie bar.
Yes, so me you can have a drinks over there.
Yeah, man.
So you move, sir. I
Oh,
don't
me a
know
move.
here.
I move now here.
So what time for? Give me a number so I can call you now.
Where you want my number now for?
Because
You know which part me live. You know
Yeah,
just
but
come. You know which part me live over there, so me live. See the bar there.
Yo, I'm not like how you're moving.
I'm to the miserable woman here.
What you just say? I mean, I talk to Jada, you just say something?
I soon call you back. I'm a phone me there, pan.
Okay. I think I'm here to say something. Where you coming from?
We roll me there, also.
Every time you go somewhere and come back, I down there somebody there, I up there somebody there, or a shop you go.
I up the road me there.
I up the road there you go. Where did I do up the road?
Just did. Send it up, also.
Jada, where me money?
Which money you talk about? I don't know which money you talk about.
Where me rich money? Little girl, you feel say. True you there around me and me never put me hand on you. You feel me afraid to do it?
Which money you talk about? I don't know which
Jada.
money you talk about.
Jada, don't make me tell you what me no want to tell you.
Mine not
Where
to
the
come
people
here,
them
you know.
money?
Which money?
The people them partner money where you take out and me and you live in there, Jada. Jada, what you do with the people them
I
money?
know me. Maybe I put it somewhere you don't remember where you put it. I know
Jada.
me.
Jada, please. If you take the people them money in the name of Jesus, give me it back.
It's not me in the name of Jesus.
Don't call God name, I'm not a liar. One of them come on me yard all before time. Me tell you man the 16th she come on the 8th.
See a mad girl with it over here.
Jada, that's not your business. If she mad or she not mad. But me just a tell you how people serious about their money. Oh, you have to take out the money and the money don't belongs to me.
Alright, let me go make me talk.
Jada, make sure you find the money give me. Anyway you go with it, go back for it. Talk.
You know, say I'm hungry, me did hungry.
You the hungry?
Yeah.
Jada, so you're hungry and take out $15,000 to go buy what? How will you buy so?
One of them big seafood boil and I buy $14,000 for it.
You take out $15,000 to go buy one box food. Which part in Jamaica sell one box food for $15,000? You know what? The sun hot. Come here, go see. You know what? Come right here. Sit down right here. Jada, tell me the truth what you do with the people them money. Come to go want it back. Look on me. Where the people them money?
Auntie, your food, me take your money by.
And a matter of fact, where you hide the phone on the sofa? Take it up, give me. Put a phone this. I know this a phone I may give you.
At the case, me change one of my friend and then me our case and me change it.
You sure, Jada?
Yes, auntie.
Okay, hold this. I want the people them money. Please, can tell me what you do with it. Because I'm sure you could never take
food. Me take you buy.
Food? And more than one time you buy food with it. And since the thief money here from last week, that look like I say how they buy food from all 1 week straight or 2 weeks straight. Because you could never buy one food.
I buy food, I buy ice cream, I buy juice. Just for myself.
Jada, what a wickedness. So you want to tell me, say the shop, them where you go, the shopkeeper, them thieves so, and sell you one food for $14,000? Me need to know the shopkeeper. Me need to know that the shopkeeper there.
One of the ice cream I buy $1,000 now. They never know ice cream.
Me not understand you. True me done school for a long time. Me no OT no me catch you fire. And you still go to school. Jada, you say you buy the food for 14,000. The ice cream for 1,000. Then Jada no 15,000 that. Then the rest are sitting the way you say you buy. And still that the same 15,000 they buy. Jada might not take out more money and me believe say I go 15,000. Jada me know say you're bright, but master, me not think say you go get no subject with them the kind of education that we have. It look like me have to go send you back to primary school. Big old high school tough kid get like you.
Oh, I just remember $12,000 for food when I buy.
Jada.
Yes, auntie.
Me look like me have crayfish brain to you, don't? No. Jada, me look like me don't, so me an idiot. Not you, me can't check. Me never go to school. Only you want go to school. You're well intellectual. Watch it. You're well bright. You're educated more than everybody else in the world. But you can't fool me. Jada, find the people their money give me. Jada, me shame on you. Me shame. Me shame so till. Jada, me can't believe say the little savings when me they try to save out of the little work them when me I do and the little partner when me they try to make you go to college after you left high school. You they take time thief for the people their money plus they thief for savings. Jada, so you don't mean yourself no good. Jada, you don't mean yourself no good no at all. Because when you take with the little money where you see in the place where they try to save up, plus another with that, you know, I'm going to take with this little saving, you take with the people them partner money to put me in a problem. Look how you go see police come all and pull me. What you going to do? Because you know nobody to stay with more than me. Jada, you know what? I can't take this no more. Go on in. Go on in, Jada. Go on in because you get on top of my nerves. You, a pressurizer. You, Jada, if you sick with me, I make me drop down and the people them down a fire station and have to come for me already. You see you? Jada, just take time me the gear, you know. For you change, but if you not change, you're not going to like what me I going to do with you. Wicked people, man. Jesus.
Yo, Chop Skull.
Oh, God.
Yo, you know, so me have one picture for send you, dog. God knows.
Oh, wait up.
Me to a new girl, youth.
Alright.
Yeah, but what going up at your place differently?
Let me just sit too long with you and then I'm going to jump to.
Hold on. You know, you think normal. I'm send you a picture on app. Look upon him, I send you.
Oh, that look. Oh, that.
So me I tell you, you can't trust them girl, brother. No two go call up my name still, me and her just apart for you look a while. Alright, me I tell you say, take your money and buy bullet, no waste it on girl. No, me just that show you right thing, but you need to listen.
No, you. But you need to wait upon.
Me there.
Cook them early as possible, you know.
Ah, just do right then, me there. But keep me posted, man. You see me just connect up on the phone.
Just keep me posted same way and let me know what I want.
It's how we can share her still in here, you see me?
What kind of shit? You must do come burn down there.
You know, listen governor song when you say that they think they're cutting a two for
You know
me.
what? You know what?
Yo.
You know what? You know what?
Man, hang up on me.
Good evening. Jada.
Hello. What you mean good evening, Jada? Me not understand. You're not even asking if Jada there. You're just good evening, Jada. Me know say you're and Jada friend. But from you and Jada friend, me notice how Jada they go on different and she start do things which she never used to do before. So me not understand what they go on between you and she. Or you just come in and me and come all for Jada. You what you feel? So you say good evening, you must come draw Jada as you feel like.
Me not care Jada.
Jada, come here! Sit down right here, so.
Go on. I'm a friend in a auntie.
What Marika, so? What?
No.
What you mean nothing? So are you the come here, so? Come draw Jada out of the yard?
No.
So where you come to her about now?
For me and her talk. Jada, my friend, me can't come look for her.
You see your attitude? You see your face expression? Who don't know no manners? Watch you with the body language. Me a big woman feel little girl. Who you? Where you come from? So, are you a broke out Jada? And she has to give your phone case?
Yes, auntie.
The tone look like one of a kind, like one big fat liar.
Ask her.
Are you give her phone case?
Yes, I mean give her a phone case.
So you not no phone?
No, my phone mash up, so me give her a case we go and use. Because she said she want it.
The whole of no full of excusing. Anyway, you see you and your little stinking attitude you need to come out of me yard. You see if you want to meet Jada, when you see her on the road, you meet her. Not in this place. Go through me gate.
Jada later. Alright.
Have no manners. Look on you too.
No fear babes.
You
Your only friend me have.
your only friend. Are she the broke out?
No.
Or are you the broke out she? Come! If you have manners, ring. Wait till I hold you. And she a bad girl. I'm a broke you out. Oh, Tala.
Candy! Yeah, Candy! Whoa, there. What going on?
Me there.
How you get Pitney from?
I'm a grand pitney.
Your Grand Pitney?
Yeah.
I say you go.
Wanna go play the friend then? Go on. Play the friend. Go on. Oh, wait. Go on.
Alright, mama.
Wanna go play the friend?
Go play your friend. See your friend are coming.
Put him over the stone then for me, please.
Alright, so today I'm my day to collect my partner draw.
Yes, man.
So go feed no come with the pan here, you know.
Alright, yeah.
So you what, teacher? See a market register.
Register, you don't understand about partner. Me a banker. Me have to write down how much money me give you and the date when me give you. I have one book and my pen to write down the money, how much me give you and the date when me give to you. So remember say you have to show about the people them partner money if you then get for them draw too. For people money you get, the partner not done.
So that means that's why they shot 15,000, huh?
You don't carry the hand coming, so it is shorter.
No. No.
You know,
You can't tell me. You know farm you come from? No is back to school. And at this bed pen pan. I'm a woman a yard right now. You see me go, you see me can't go now?
hold on.
See better.
Hold on. Yes, listen to me. You say if you don't understand about partner, do not go in there. If you did carry the $15,000 come or how much are 1,500 or 15 million come with charter, you would get it with that the amount there. You're supposed to bring it in come so it go on that.
Back to
You
school.
would get your right money where you forget. You don't understand about partner, so you don't figure in there. Your money off your shot. Cause right now some hand when me put in the fuel, no, you're not giving it.
Today is
What
the
is farming now,
13.
Jesus? What is farming now, God?
Today is the 13. You said I should get draw the 16.
Who is that? Who is
3
that?
more there be 16. So oh you give big man partner draw. I was just passing by.
But all of a sudden 16 ton 13. What you doing in my yard? Me never see if you come
Oh you
to
give
13.
this gentleman the 13.
Who is
And
that?
I one time a week partner show. Me no idiot.
How?
I one time a week partner show.
Hello. Did I told you that some people have 4 hands in the partner? Okay, well him have 3 all the way now, 2 good. You understand me? So him come to one of the hand. And all the way get 1 hand, he still have 2 hands in there. You won't have 1 hand. Why you want to figure your hand
You're
before them
finding
have
up your
people
hand.
here?
What a way the class shade. Me know say something wrong with you. I one time a week partner show. So no come tell me about this and this and this. Me no idiot.
Hello.
Put down your hand, me saying in my face.
Listen to me. This is my yard. You can't tell me what to do with me and whether up or down. Listen to me, man. You come like you comfy in an argument with me. Me say this 16, you come in 13. What is your problem? What your problem now? What your problem?
Hold on.
Oi, wait, hold on there, because this woman come in my yard in an argument every time for money and uno no want throw no hand good.
No,
want to draw before time. Me say 16, you come 13. The man have 4 and in there. He uncle get the first draw. So he still have 3 and why you cuss me if you get for you're lucky so me tell you say I go get 1 draw. You're not easy.
Every time.
And a matter of fact,
Your day today?
is daily partner, is not weekly partner. Me no want hear
I
me.
got to make human being tell a big man,
Me tell you something, me
can't
tell you
say.
something.
At this make a human being tell about the partner take a idiot. Me forget 44,000.
What?
And you see, me tell you this, so me come in 16. And you can't tell me something not pay my partner that me style it all, cause me can every money can give you. Every single money me can give you. So when me come in 16, 3 more days, me a come 12 o'clock sharp. Remember me did tell you, 12 o'clock sharp. How me not get my money? You shall see what more for this.
Don't worry about it
You
till we
shall
get your
see.
money.
I thank you. Tell me you man take a pay that big man and collect up your money. If you pay your partner, show me when he pay me. Yeah, man, you give me piece of time money.
You're comfy talk about partner even though the wrong day you come. Are you comfy take over people business? You know her? You're not in a business? Are you a woman?
No.
So why she come and investigate like a
Big
police
man.
and I take over the argument when me I talk to you about?
Okay. Big man, hear me. And you me I deal with now. You must get 44,000.
What?
Me I gonna tell you the month where it start and it end. You understand? If you squeeze me a thing out every time if you get your draw like 1 3 and you have me balance you out. So now make you give a little chicken chains. What is you make you fall up in your hand you say you're a big man. So take me number.
You see,
Tell me.
either
Give me your number,
keep
give me
it
your
his
time.
mouth,
Give me your number.
keep it his life.
I know your time.
You feel learn to keep your mouth. See that you can't check. A 4 and you have in it, you make him a chat about 3. And how you forget 44,000.
The more
check
the
4
merrier.
times 44,000. You better you come out of people business, come out of me yard and go on where you go.
16, have a good day, Miss
Go
Candy.
on out of me yard. I did not say the gentleman have 3 and in there. Me say have 3 and left, but a 4 and he have in there.
What your name? What your
Very
name?
good, Lord bless.
What your name? I put it
See
in.
somebody you come here feel
Me
look.
see about unknown call me, I don't want people to check for me.
Unknown. Alright, unknown.
Watch her.
Candy. All of the years I had your partner, you never yet give me 44,000. And you know too. Me understand say, because me so flirtatious with you, you feel like say you can do whatever. Cause no, you shot me 15,000 short of the money what you used to give me, which is you used to give me 36,000 for one hand. See? I know you
Members, hold on. She gone? That woman they fasting. You and her no business, you know. Because if you know want me good on fear your yard where fear your wife, they go tell your wife. Oh, you come at me yard at daytime like I work here the whole time. And left. Remember, say you promise me for money, you know. And 2 at the hand you tell me say, I feel me out of the 4 jar where you have. And you are going to get 2. See you get part of one day. The $15,000 we left for me too. So no bother to you see one girl come here so you look like you and her they too. You can exalt yourself.
never said draw. A draw is going to say.
Oh, jazz.
They go buy
So where they come show off now and they want like say me and they together. So we left now.
No worry, sir. No worry, sir. We talk.
Are we good on your yard?
No. Hey, are we good here, sir? We go?
I see you the bright in front of me here. You're bright
No,
in.
we good.
I give girl number in front of me. You know, I come out of me here and I come back on knock me door number night. You want me to tell you about your wife here and leave me alone? But your partner, you're not even show your partner good. I mean, if you put in the field enough time, you're ranky. Look your boy, go along your yard. You think me I give you after say you want to use me? You're bright in.
Sell me a jug and then
Give me a minute, me come in. One or 2?
one of them.
Alright.
Higher. So you go on candy.
There, man. You good? You want me to meet you?
I'm not meet no man, I don't want to go.
Remember say you no give me money. You never pay me fee yet.
No, so when we get paid Friday, me like it.
Alright, come in a long time. You ain't bridging that.
Yeah, man, I know you go, man. I just over.
A normal free man. So what go on? A long time me not see you.
Thank God. Well, you know, sir, I chop business. Last night, I come from St. Thomas to Rotted. I end up having sleep in a St. Ann, up a truck stop.
I lie.
Yeah, man. Because I couldn't, me tired, man. Because I left down early, go up, you know.
Anyway, I know the journey, man. You're most tired. But I look at you did stop. Because yesterday driver, you know what it is? So you call them greedy. Then continue to drive and sleep and kill them and it cause problems. So the best thing you ever do, you see as a driver, if you feel like to sleep, pull over and take a 5 and then you go on again. Me like that way you do, man.
You know how you go.
Yeah, man. The best thing that you ever do.
So you go and you cook already?
Me tap cook give you long time, you know. And matter of fact, when me cook, you no eat.
I understand, but I pass you around the yard and I'm just I say I go and get a little one check and get a little one jug and cool.
Me know your style, you know. Me know your style. And I know one check nothing, you know, just come up here just so me know where you come about.
Yeah.
But remember,
Well,
so
listen,
we can't do them the long time.
They can't pass through later, man.
No,
I
man.
want them, man. I want them.
See it? You see the same thing, but me will tell you something. A secret. New kids on the block, you're out of it right now. Different man at it now. Me and you left, but me and your friends see you, me go tell us something. Me run one little partner. I want a little man way in it. I come give me my money now and again. Me have 4 and in there. They give him 1 already and 3 left. And you know say 2 are for me. And you know me stay already when the company money part, you know. He live with his wife. Me and him not like there. Like I'm a personal man, but you know say I'm a man, you know? I'm there on his side, me and side chick, but he have to give me money, me not ramp with him. Me just run him out of me yard because I come like me feast you when go come, but you know say me still like you though.
No worries, sir. No worries, sir.
Every time I have friends, so when you're ready, you can come check me same way, but bring your condom, can me know when you breathe me, you know? I mean, know say you're worrying on a ramp with me.
But you not come check me on the yard.
Alright, me come around there. You have condom around there?
Don't worry about that.
Me have condom, me no left it, cause you a gin and me know you breathe me and then you this one me pick me. Go on where you go.
You know me not this one people.
Hello? Where I go on? Maybe I want to cook. You can come for dinner. Yeah, man. Hmm? Wait. Come like eat food. Come on, wait. Let me check out this animal again. No, wait. They must collect today. Today is 16 grand candy. Okay. I will to them to collect too. So if we can go up there, I'm want to know how that I will go. Yes, she tell me to come with 16. Because what they are passing on me, my woman that want to start what out there. Yes, that was 3 days ago. So out today you must get dry 16 and I make you get dry. Make sure you get up and start cook early. Huh? She must come today. How much enough money she have up her yard put on? Me say how much enough money have up her yard put on? Because people have much hand in it. Oh. So you're collecting now? No, 11. Tell me how to reach home. I come in right now. Me say wait for me and nobody hurry up and go. No, me not done cook, man. It's alright. You talk about money. This is how different business. Me a come. Me say me a come. Yeah.
Yeah, man, me know say today you forget fear draw. How are you there? Oh, you come by the shop? You know say me not there so? Me there at my house. I mean, I normally make people come on my yard, you know. I just show you. Yeah, me direct you, man. Yeah, just... Eh? Don't worry about that. Tell the bike man them say, if you drop your candy gate, them know which part me live already. Me not have to tell you no description and nothing. Them know where me live. Yeah, man, I gotta take a taxi. Anything. Yeah, alright. Me I wait for you. When I come and get you, just call me and me come to you. Alright, cool. Girl, stop worrying yourself. Yeah, you get? Alright, cool.
Rice meal. I'll try again. Babes, it's been 3 days now. I try to call you and I not get through to you. So when they get the message, please call me back. Please.
Where me no farm with no where around I shop me go.
Yeah, either them not tell you come on a third one, look how long me wanna start wait for you.
So you should tell me, man. Baby, me go shop and sit down how long I wait like a high glass. They know say I know this so.
Come right round and you see me, come round and so stand up on the road, on the roadside. Aye. Hurry up, man, you know fat and you walk so slow.
Alright then, me I come. Where you say third lane?
Yeah, me run a corner and so just come round, straight round.
Alright, me I come.
Yeah.
You're wicked. You're wicked.
And you never listen. Cause look how me tell a third day, we go around and you man shop pass long for.
Tell me that thing around here, go.
Come on, man, you're so mad.
That was there. Now I'm going to buy tea. Now we are not.
Stop exaggerating, man. Alright, we're back expert this up.
She live there, so?
You never know.
He rent out and rent, he rent it.
Alright, it owns this. How are you there?
Buy. Buy everything.
Just come on. You know if I buy and buy, sell it out.
You know if I want me to get my partner, ja?
Alright.
And he said me to come today.
What you want? You sound aggressive like you're open mash up my plan. So you want make me go collect my money first? And when I come out, you just go come collect for you too.
So you should go in first?
Me go in first because I don't feel loud mouth. You're going to mess up my thing. You go
Suppose you get and me not get.
We don't know what may happen. Let's see. When make me get to me and I left and then you create your combo below. I'm not really business. You want to come stand up and
True, you know, in a partner bang around me now.
Come stand up and get.
Come, go on, then I say, go on.
Hello?
Come, man, come.
Okay. Almost last.
What me tell you, say? Tell the Batman to drop your candy gate. You can't last.
The idiot bite man drop me way down there, so I walk me have to walk come up.
You're too fat, you have to exercise. Come in.
Go fat and come on, come in charm, go fat.
So what man?
There. The place nice to miss.
You can come inside.
Love how your place nice though.
Thank
Imagine
you.
inside.
Yeah, it's a blessing, you know?
For you, man.
Yeah, man. A direct, you know?
Oh,
You can have a seat.
thank you.
You're welcome. I let my partner book up at the shop. But don't worry yourself. I know say it's your time to get your money.
Alright.
Yes, and it.
You must see my turn to check.
Here.
Alright, respect me.
Yes.
Alright, you start. Thank you so much. I'm going to tarry now, miss. Because I have to go do something I know.
Alright.
So, respect. Nice doing business with you.
Yeah, man. The partner, anytime I done, we tell you.
That's
But
what
remember, say it not complete yet, so you have to throw back on for the other rest of people them get their job.
Alright, yeah, man.
You understand? Because some people throw their money, so you can get your hand. So you have to be fair.
Yeah,
You
man.
understand? Okay, alright. Have a nice day.
Alright.
Okay.
Alright, yeah, man. Thanks.
Yeah, man. You're welcome.
Money
Alright.
ties. Yes. I'm rich I know. I hope nobody will rob me, because I trust people, you know.
Alright. Careful now, you know, when you walk on the road with so much money.
Look how me cham. Rabu, me miss. How's that?
Alright.
Straight Karachi.
Alright. Walk, woman.
talk,
Just
much
walk.
less lick.
Careful.
Alright, mom.
Good evening, good day, Sister Candy. Good day. Give me a break, give me a break. Good day.
Good day, man.
16, 12 o'clock sharp. Oh my God, you're looking so lovely. I'm a minute early, but now watch your face. I tell you 12. I will wait.
Hold on there. Hold on a little bit. Don't move so fast and you look too happy. You know, since you come too early.
Yeah, if I'm a minute early, I'll wait the 1 minute. Where
And
talk
in 1
say?
minute, you look like you're scared to read clock. Go not do it phone. No time not depend on your phone. Are you not correct? And no time yet, man. You can go on and come back in the evening.
No, man, it's 12.
So you're going to sit down right there so till the time come.
No, I said 12.
When,
And it's
listen to me.
11:59.
Listen to me. You need to come back later when everybody bring in their hand so you can get your job. I cannot give it to you if I don't have everything.
So you take me for an idiot to give this young lady money very early, but I can't get my money. Yes, 12 o'clock now.
12 o'clock.
12 o'clock.
Hold on.
I see.
Oh, hello. You move too fast. You go sit down here so until everybody carrying their money, people them gonna work. How long you plan to sit down for? Well, if you decide to stay until night, come down, because some people carry their money in the night, but you can't get it right now because I do not have it.
My teacher said count to 10 when per side trouble you. You know, I'll be a certain way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Who show you where I live?
Let's start again. We can start again. The partner money give this luxurious place.
That's all
And-
do. Watch people business. Leave people business alone
Just go
and
fit
mind
money.
your own.
Just give me money.
Hold on. You need to stay as long as you want to stay until the people them come if you decide to stay. But, and so I go, me not have them
We can make space. We can make space.
like a year ago.
The money. We can make all space. See the money.
You look like you want me picture down.
Alright, next one. Look at money I go. Right, next one.
No problem. Have a seat and wait as long as you want. But I do not have all of the money until the people then bring it to
I
me.
want that money me want, you know, because you tell me to throw my partner money one time, you know. So now get me Gigi, you know, this time now get me Gigi, me feel so blessed that Sunday,
No,
you know.
hold on.
Come in for me money, you know. Look at your place. Look at your place. Look there. Look there. Just give me my money.
Hello. You forgot where you stand up? The farthest you should have stayed from it is from the gate to here, so you're not supposed to lay up here. So you're there right here, so you need to hold your corner and wait. Me say me not have it.
Me have
And
sense.
if you can't wait until the rest of people then bringing their money come give me to give you,
Me have
do your
sense.
next day.
1 versus 1, a murder. You see no camera. I mean, I alone everybody in you know me talk.
You don't see no camera.
Things that me not say.
You're blind. Okay, excuse. Turn around.
You see that me not say?
Turn
Just
around.
give me
You're
my money.
blind. Look up there, so.
Give me my money.
See there. See there. So if you come on here with your attitude, I will give you attitude. Cause my attitude stink. You understand?
Jesus.
You
Oh.
can't say she not come from nowhere.
Jesus
I must say hungry, she hungry. Me go give her some food to eat.
Come give me panda money. Big man thing now, me I get serious because they see me come nice. I know you nice.
Oh, remember say I know your yard there. Me will put you out there so
Yeah,
if you
man.
come.
No for yourself. Me will take my money first. You don't have to put me out. I will call a truck. I will call a truck.
Where you at?
Excuse me, me way now.
Where you at?
Excuse me, me way now.
Where you at though?
Give me money.
No, you look
Give
here, you get
me
this thing.
my money.
Oh, you get out of hand now, you know. And you get away too much, you know. First you step coming at my place like your place. You don't have no right to come here, so you know. How you feel like? You feel that you step past me and come in here, so it'll go get you. So if you ever take up one more chair,
Give me money. Give me money.
if you
Me say to give me
it look
money.
like I see you want war in here.
Give me
And
money.
okay.
Worry.
I know that.
Run around me on the stairs right now.
You
My
know
friend just kill me and done.
Me know.
And me want
Oi. Me know when I'm not hungry. I mean, no one.
Me very hungry.
Me know when the devil send the people them to come put other good people in a trouble. So more money you want than the little dirty 44,000 what you think. You see that chair the way you just take up? If me tell you how much for, you forgot about the 44,000 when you forget to the people they not carrying it, go and give me, for me give so go through my door.
You hear me say?
Because it look like an excitement here look.
You hear me say me want me money?
You don't know me because I love excitement. So if you're ready for the war, me ready for it. So
After you
bring it
rub
on.
the people, them and teeth up the people.
Bring it on.
After you rub and teeth up the people.
As long as me not rob for you, you don't care who for money me rob.
Give me for me, no
As
rob for
long
me.
as me not rob for you,
Me not have it you
I
no
cannot give it to you until I get it.
Me not have it you no money upon. Anything me you already give me. Me will say to you, give me for me money.
Well.
Withdraw me from you.
Me think you can see clearly more than I me say somebody just come out of the yard where get the money them when me did have.
Oh, you tell me if you come 16, you give somebody 16. And I go tell me, say, wait till people come. What kind of style that? And me, you don't like. Just give me for me money and make me just go on out to your place peacefully. Make you get this luxurious place to stay and buy your one comfort.
Hello, that's all you know do. Ready eye for people things. Listen to me now. You little pissing tail girl, we come up and exaggerate your little nasty self. When you use some money and they come go on like $44,000 and now bag along some money. You need to get the figures them straight. A little chum change that. I no money that day. That's why some man trick on and go on some little foolishness. I want to feel nice and go boast my friend but you don't have money. Girl, me say when the people them come with the money, I will give it to you. And if you cannot wait, you go have to leave right now.
You know how much man trick me if you look about house where me living in? And me glad, me grateful because at least me can lay me head. But you now go trick me and thief me and build your house bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Bigger and bigger for your little dirty nasty foot niece. When I nothing about she. You're going to give me my money and me go. Or me take the chair and when you have your money, you call me for it and collect back your chair. Or either. But me have to get
that will go no people. Yes, when you know other adults in an argument, you put children in it, you are idiot.
If
you are idiot, you know no style.
If
and if me not have for your money, you know what? You know say the two of we keep up this argument too long, I defend you for defend it, because you can't wait till the people them come with it. Since as you believe and think say me take your money, build us, and me and buy this and buy that. Come beat you out of me. Me want to like you, another come defend it. Yes. Since as you can't
my money have to pay your doctor bill, so you want bitter. So you want to come in here if you me come to your premises and do things that hurt you or you hurt me and you collect more doctor money of what me not have already. It not go work out.
You know what?
It not go so just give
hello.
me need it.
You see for long talking me not unite. Me have a card with some money on it. Me go dry it and give you money.
Yeah, talk.
Take yourself out of me please.
Go feed your Yeah.
Come. Take yourself out of me. Come. And now come back to me yard.
Come.
Come out of my yard. Don't come back in my yard. You come to my yard, you think you can come style me? You can't style me. Me I'm not idiot like you. You say you're a fool. One tree get, that's one call it that.
Put it for you, tomorrow for me.
You remember me from them time then? Yeah, man, I want to see you and I want to have a talk with you. What? Where's the... What? I'm think you get you with a partner? Alright, come check me right now, please. Yeah? You know what I want? Shop? Me a fall. Come check you. Me don't want black shirt. Hope you remember me. Alright. Good to see you again, man. Can't get so now. Not even know your name. I'm saving that phone as unknown.
You didn't even go fish with yourself right now.
I want
I'm
to.
Jesse still.
Jesse?
Yeah.
I'm in public, you know? Good to see you. So I want to stress you out now.
You know, say I know can't let him partner money.
What do you mean? No, today at 16. Today you forget the money. I don't understand how you look so stressed out like you don't get the money. Because you more want to talk to you know. You know, talk to me. What will you go on?
After me go a lady yard, my friend go first, not at 2 weeks call you.
When your friend go first?
My friend called me on the phone and cook me a cook and she said, if you get partner job, I said, today? She said, yes. You get the same if you come to me money. She go in first. When me go, big old argument. Go a long man place near the most war broke.
Hold on, so when I shop you go?
We shop you man live in a mansion. So money I make a mansion. Come here, just think around the shop, she stay.
So behind the shop is a mansion?
Well, like an idiot here, man. It's like how me stress and skiggy for my little change here, man. Me say, woman have a mansion living up on one next place. Me follow a girl go. One house big so a fuck. Never see one house with so much floors. I'll step. Me not have step off in my yard. The lady lock me out of the house. Say me go dry money and lock me out.
So, you forget your partner on the 16th. You go to your partner with a friend what connect to your partner and you don't get your partner on the 16th, which is today. No man, something wrong. I like you. I take a man or something. No man, something deep in it. Explain to me what about because me don't understand why I feel deep if you connect your partner. You remember when you come see me, I connect my partner the same day when she done rip me off and you tell me say you don't get no partner. So what you plan for that?
Right now, me either plan to rob a shop or kidnapping me. Either. I know my money, you know. If me can't get you one way, I must get you next way. So me there, me stress out, me stress, because I have no money. And me have things to do. So what do I do? Me rob a shop and me pay for meals.
No, sir. Alright, you hear me think I'm going to work it out. She went tell herself it come back. She went tell herself this for the fact that people don't come. Because she tell me a story already, you know. So people don't carry in the money and then they come back. But may not come back a day after and a day after. And still don't get everything. And then she tell you a story. That's the same story she tell you?
Same double story.
Jesus Christ, man. Alright, you reckon though. Just give her one day. See? One day. I'm going to buy you one drink and we'll school up and drink. Because I'm not let this fella do that. I want to see you, I want to call all your name, I don't know your name, I don't know what to say. I mean, you know, but I don't want to stress you. You know what I mean? Because I know you're good somebody, you know.
How for your money, Abu?
My money?
I don't really take sweet talk and man, you know, come down and look at me, but how for your partner money, Abu?
So make you know about my partner money.
And I tell you, if you contact me about the partner money, then I tell you when you start on the end, you must get 44,000.
So yeah man, alright, you want, I'm going to just drink a drink and cool out and then we'll talk about because you don't know more if you enlighten me upon this partner thing. You know. And then you have to also tell me because me feel I can deliver around at the shop. Me never know say certain things are going on, so make a drink. Serve! What can you just say one?
Just one special.
One special? Yeah, one special because it's a special day. Special day for you.
Can deliver Beverly Hills.
No sir.
So you want rum special? You want funny?
Boom.
Jada,
Yes, Auntie?
come here.
Yeah, wash your plate.
No, come to me right now because this a woman that come to me too much time for money and I make sure say me give you if you go give her. Come. See there, nobody hook me out. See there, give her this. Who you they go to? Jessica.
Jessica.
She bigger than you, Miss Jessica.
Miss Jessica.
Okay, give her until her say your auntie said to give her this.
Alright.
Until her thanks for her waiting.
Alright.
Here? I'm
Alright.
sorry if she wait so long. Alright, later.
Alright.
Go on and come back. Me finish rinse the plate then.
I'll chop it.
But wait. What are you doing so?
Oh, that no one know you are there, so.
Shut my phone.
So I could have on the right time in door.
Which timing? After me in the pan long timing. Matter of fact, you hear from your friend?
I don't hear from him, you know. But you know, people probably get them business done, so probably you get tied up on a deal with the liquor business, you know. I try angling bangle.
So I think he come like him no have no time for me, him busy or him friend woman. I know what to say, you know.
No, so you not find a woman, you're a good woman, you know. I know my friend now go cheat by you, but differently still. You know, say me you be friend, me can be friend. You see me? And you know, say, listen up, if you have problem, you know you can call me and I will solve them. What about that?
Every meet you see me come up with this friend thing. I want to way up to. Stuff at me then a long talking me. No what later.
Come here. You just come here to cuss me. You don't buy away from the life.
Oh, true because you're there with friend thing. You need to remember some more in my shop. My head space are gone. Can I get one small capital reading, please?
You don't buy me something too.
I'm not working.
So that's tropical rhythm you come to buy.
I know your business that.
I mean if you cool out, you know.
Thank you. Alright, see you later, okay? You chat.
Alright, Miss Attitude. We go and check you.
Jada,
Yes, Auntie?
look how long me they call you. Give me one good reason why you hear the phone they ring and you're not answering the phone. What is your problem? Me send you go somewhere. You reach already, you deliver the money to the lady already?
Yeah, me drop off the money already.
Eh? You give her already? Okay. Oh, so which part you know? You're on your way coming back or you're the Idle Pan Road with the other rest of friend them?
You know, somebody that on my way, I come up and I stop and I'm a friend. I talk to one of my friend.
Eh. What do you mean you just stop right here, so? Just to talk to somebody. Who you talk to, man or woman?
I talk to one of my friend them.
One who? Where you know that the person is from?
It's a female. I'm a classmate, Auntie.
You sure say a classmate? Make sure you know. What's she name? Cause you know say me mad already, you know, me psycho. Me will left go straight down in your school go ask her own name so and which class they in. And any you tell me no lie you will find out. You give the lady all of the money when me give to you? Okay, what she say? She said thanks. So if me never ask her, she say you wouldn't tell me. Alright then. Hurry up and come in at the yard, man. Sound like our rain soon come down and you don't have no umbrella.
You don't look like rain and go fall down here, so.
Alright, later.
Auntie, me soon come.
Me a wait for you. And if you make me spit a ground and the dry before you come here, you not go like it, you see like come have you up for a long time. For your foolishness them way you do. Jada come in at the yard.
Alright, Auntie.
And the boy, yes, Auntie. Papi sure.
Auntie, give me something, bro. Where is it?
Sit down, come here. Look at seat, man. And this is all the auntie gave me?
Yes. Yeah, that you give me. Say that you get, sir.
We can't fetch one, we can just shop. You put me on my water here in the what me money them is?
Me give her the money when my auntie give me.
$20,000?
Yeah, that. She said me give her that she give me.
So me and her ring a roses, they send a little change, come give you. When you feel like me,
I know me and you in a partner say if you let me go.
You're still full of chat. You're full of chat. You're full of chat. Me not even feel you're not talking with you neither. Just give me your mother number, because your mother could come. Your auntie will just come send me one little change where she feel like she send me. It not go work so.
Me not want no more.
Oh, alright. When you're hungry, we talk. You ready to tell me number? You ready to tell me now? Alright. Give me your number.
5 2 1 94 65.
Alright. Thank you very much. Be a good girl and stop being nice. Hello. Good night, Miss Candy. Yes. If me can't tell you thanks.
Auntie, help!
Auntie help! Auntie help! Auntie help! How will you send 20,000 la kongi? If partner just be 44,000, you send 20,000 la kongi. Me no, I know ramping. And everybody take money game lightly, ma'am. You send 44,000. Me receive 20,000. I want the women that will tell her about money. $20,000. And when you're ready to give me the rest of 22, you can come pick up your niece. Your auntie help. Tell her make she hear you.
Auntie, help!
When you're ready to carry the 22, you will tell her if you come pick her up. Just transfer it in my account. Me not in my yard. I'm not so fool to keep people in my yard.
To their yard.
Yes. So you give her 44. You talk so? Me think you're the bad. Lock me out your house and everything. I know your voice gone soft. Eh? Me take you one somebody from you. No man, me say that they're going to pay me everything. But when time ready to give me money, you can call back and tell me. Me go send me account number when me see it coming from my phone. Yeah, me have online banking. Me will let her go. And I do her thing and I'll lay a finger upon her.
She choked me.
Yes.
Woman, let me go.
Right. Shut too much too man. Fed up on your mouth. Your auntie want you with you.
Hello? Auntie? What's your advice me? Jesus Christ.
How that you call me? You again? Hello? You know what? I've been keeping this secret for so long. Because you are idiot and you think me a fool. But I use me head pan you. If you know say people like you, nobody no feel lend you nothing. Me lend you my money, remember say you come borrow me money. Oh long. You borrow me money? What you mean you never know say me remember say me lend you? Oh somebody feel lend somebody something and then don't remember. You think me forgot? And when you done you take yourself come on me yard and I go on the most disgraceful way for partner money when it's not your turn? Anything you say me need scare come give you at that, me send come give you as long as she not take out none of that. Me give me niece the money to give you and you not forget nothing more than that. Because you have me money and not even pay me none of it yet. You're lucky to me give her money to come give you too. A long time you owe me. Long time. How much months now so want here. And you don't have no heart. No conscience you know. So you borrow me money girl. And make me have to come ask you for it. So true me not ask you for you think me forgot and you don't want to give me. That's why some people not lend people nothing they rather give them. Because they know so they know if you look back for it.
Jesus. Hello? Vice me. Try again. Jesus Christ. Vice me. So I could go in.
owe me my money, me should even send Jada with no money go and give you. And anyhow me spit a ground, and me no see Jada around me, a police me a go send a your yard. Me not have to come. Me not have to come a your yard. No worry yourself. Me know where the police station there. So if you know me, you let her go. I mean no too. I mean in a no long talking with your girl. And you? You see the day when you come at me yard and I disrespect and I can't take up chair like you buy something in here so? A box me should have box in your mouth. Come off of my phone.
Girl, what you do that, sir?
Like the food, okay? Like this time, my mom.
Jesus Christ, I just go in my yard and I call my auntie and she know they run. Girl, if you ever know what happened to me.
What happened to you?
Me say, after one day, I dey home and wash plate. And my auntie give me one partner money if you go give one woman down an Ample Road. Right, no me. Take out money out of it, go buy smoothie and them something.
Wait, me a talk. So, you spend the money and not give me none.
Girl,
And you say me a your friend.
You never there. So guess what now?
Me never did it when you have the money, but you find me do it when you don't have the money.
Jesus Christ.
Me never that 1 year.
You know what you to worry? Listen to me. I say, after me done do what me I do, take out my share of money. Carry the rest of money go give the woman. You know what? The woman take the money and count up money. Realize say money short. No woman capture me. I get what me get where I go run when me I call my auntie phone a voicemail. Straight voicemail. I don't know what me I go do.
So me ask you a question. Where auntie there?
Girl, me no know. You know, hear me tell her say me a ring her phone and a straight voicemail. Me just a come from up the yard, gate lock, everything.
You say you check around the shop?
Around them, I go check right now because I don't know if she there around there.
Alright, so you want me to follow you?
Yeah, I want to follow me around there.
You have to buy one thing to me first.
Girl, come on, you know say me can.
Alright.
One reason say me want come play one day me know with one of my children. What you must say now come up and say now?
Me have them in now.
Yeah. So make you show 2-6 for the board now.
You have money? I mean I no free game with nobody.
You don't know my name is Money Idolian, so you don't know things set here.
You have to put on your bet. $1,000 bet. You ready?
Come in now, man.
Alright, me will give you that now. What's your name?
Money Idol.
Money Idol.
Yeah.
You're idol without money.
How do you Bugs Bunny, man?
Hold that, me soon come.
Alright, man. You want drinks come now? You want soda come, man?
One flavor me have in on orange. You want it? You like them flavor there?
Yeah, anything right now.
You look hungry though. Drink it.
Hungry?
Yeah.
I'm look hungry, I just need some food.
$150 for that.
Just so get it, man. When we bingo.
You know, say this a boy really take me for some Bugs Bunny for show.
That is without our money.
So you have your money to pay for your drink after the game?
Of course.
Me know me and you fight today. Pull up that. $1,000 bet. Remember, you say your money like that.
Talk to the beat, yeah. Me run Jamaica.
Yo, put on your bet. Put on your bet. Put on your bet right there, so. $1,000 bet.
I so got casino. Casino? So sorry. I'll be a 5,000 like I'm change 5,000.
You can't change any money.
Alright.
My youth, at style me this at $250.
So me pay for your drinks. You cannot talk
Hold
to me.
on. Are the drinks you pay for?
Yes, I'm going to beat you and give you $1,000.
No man, you better you get up. You take me for food. Yo, come out of me yard. You pay for your drinks, $150 for your drinks. Hold back the $100. Come not want tea from people like you.
No.
But they go on like you don't have money and you don't have no money. You say you need money idle and you broke. Take up that $150 or when $250 me take you put on this and me take up.
No, me give you $100 by yourself a juice because you're thirsty.
Yo, take your drinks and go on with it. You're too bright and take that too and come out here. So you're bright, you know man. You know that me know with the idiot, you know.
Yo,
me not deal with
ashes, dust to dust.
Every
Every broke party, coffee gets super.
Yo, remember saying your yard, they are my yard. Come out of this.
I want the candy. Candy, I should.
Yo, you're just coming at me.
I don't money and candy.
Let you come out of me yard. Can you come like you come and stuff you come. Sure. Yo, come out of me yard.
No, I'm left here, sucker. Excuse me.
Yo, walk around there, so. And this man I can tell me if you move from out of my own place.
You know what? You see what I mean by these drinks, I mean not care. Me I walk here, so. Let me just excuse. Just keep
Yo,
150.
hold that. You look hungry and thirsty. Hey boy, you don't know me, you know. Don't come back in my yard in a style. You come to style me, you know. You look like, yo, take this too. Take it. Bright.
I want
Yo,
the
take that.
candy.
Bright team, man. You see how people like you know.
Now. I want to the girl named Candy. She just broke it now. She run out of lucky now. Can't get no broken now.
Boy, they're idiot. Idiot boy. When you have pass back, you can get your drinks. Take that. Now drink and live. Bright. Come back in my yard, box in your mouth. Style, big woman. See your favorite crayfish. Jesus Christ, when they had to warn you, where are you doing that they shot? Say, turn on. Little girl. You see where you're in now? You see where you're on the road? Little girl. Turn on. Watch it. See it now? You know what that the shots mean? Draw me attention. And that it mean. So if you seek attention, as a matter of fact, me soon deal with you about that. Because you look like I say a man, you they look. Anyway, what is the problem?
I want to tell you something, Auntie. After you give me the money, if you can go give the lady, me bring the money go give the lady. She take it from me, she count it and when me look, the woman draw me in, put me on chair if you sit down.
Where you say?
Put me on chair if you sit down. Then she said money short. When me look, the woman drag me go in a one room, a dark room, tie me up. Time.
Wait.
She did with me bad done there.
Where you say? So she a serial killer?
You look like.
Or she a secret killer?
Me no know.
Wait there, hold on. She draw you going to one place where dark like a one.
In our room.
I lie. Then Jada, where your phone did they? You couldn't hide and call me.
Auntie, me call you. Jesus.
Yeah, the drop. Watch out.
Me call you and advise me. Me go in a house first and advise me.
Jada, alright, calm down. The money when me give to you, did you give the lady the right money? Jada?
Yes, Auntie.
Jada?
Yes, Auntie?
Jada, you sure? So you give the woman the
Yes,
right
me give the woman the money, Auntie. Yes.
So what
right
reason?
money.
What reason? She have to dry in the room.
Me no know.
Hey, me come and you not involved in this. Later.
You see that little girl here? You see this little girl? War mama. Because I notice, you know, from you, they keep friend with she, you know. You is a different Jada. You understand me? And your auntie don't play and you know that. Because all when me not know her from nowhere, me will lick her in her mouth and you have to be careful of the friend them where you keep. I hope you not take out none of the money because I know say you We take out it and say you not take out it.
Me not take out none. Me carry right money. You say me if you don't open it, me don't open it. Me carry the right money go give the lady.
Okay, make sure say you don't take it out. Right?
Me do not take it out.
I want to see that woman. Me need to see her. Because looking at my face when me talk to you, eye contact, if you have manners. Somebody I talk to you behind you?
No,
so me invisible now, you know, so me stand up in front of you. Yes, when somebody talking to you, need for looking at them face. You know, they look behind you like you don't care about what them a say. I'm a matter of fact, come go in the house.
Me hungry.
You're hungry. Go on in the house, go spread up your bed from morning you left you and not spread it. Go and go spread up your bed. All the night they come down, go spread your bed, they're too nasty. Go on. Me don't want you nothing from you. Go on in. No wonder why the woman have to dry your in one dark room. But I will find out the reason why, because anytime I see her, she have to go tell me why she put you in the dark room there. You know what? Let me take up my bag. That yellow get on top of my nerves. Every minute she come on my yard, she make nice. Now me send her with money to go get her, she put you in the dark room. Wait till I see her. She too out of that. In the day. Yes, man. Junior!
Who that?
Junior!
Oh, who that, man? Are we at here?
Come here, man, and talk to you.
You're supposed to be able to pick them up there.
Are you picking them up there? Your woman up there?
No,
so why you picking them up to do with me and you?
Session did it, but you can't come here, so.
Junior,
you hear that? Come on, go, let's go talk to you. Come on, talk to you. Come on. If I talk to you, because you know certain people, and then you notice a lot of people here. You have Christian people there, so you have a banker who live up there, so and all these things. So I really want them to see me, you know what I mean, in one situation where them see woman are coming and them not understand. Because you know people stay and neighbors stay already, right? Knows the people, different situation.
And that's why I go. Listen to me. When you did come on me yard and I beg me in front, I'm going to give it to you. Don't tell me fish. Your neighbor them and your bank were hit and whosoever it where you said they don't hear so with you. Then they know about your business.
Alright.
Me no want to hear nothing about it. Don't talk to me. Before me start make nice over here. Oh, hello. I some money me come for do some business.
Money?
Not tell about nobody.
No, I'm not telling about nobody. Me talk about money.
Money.
But you want money for now?
If you do some business, you're deaf.
No, but me not have money right now. You even own my partner. Right now, me forget me draw how long. And the Lord mouth woman, she get her partner draw already?
Oh, you know, so me bust up your face already, you know. Nobody can tell me about nobody if this is somebody I get drawn, that is somebody I get drawn. No. Look how much time you ask me for my front and me give you for free. No, but your backside, me want some money right now if you go do some business. What you talk about? You promise me money and me come feet and me want it.
How much?
Me want 300,000 if you go do so.
300,000? My partner draw a 46,000. No, yeah, 46,000. And you want 300,000?
You can't count at 44,000.
44?
Yes.
All right,
I'm give you part-time money.
You may say no. We not father good things, so we're in a little shit. Me not have that.
What you mean?
Me not have 300,000 right now. But listen. We work it out one different way. Check me back Tuesday morning.
Me not check your back. Me no in and no more checking with you because you know what? You see you? And that's how you fit can with one woman. You have your woman.
Yeah.
Me see you with your woman enough time. You have your woman. And me go bust up your face make your woman know say you keep woman around.
No. Alright. 300,000 you want? Alright. Me go give you. Me get it for you. But you know in the house right now. So
I wait there.
It's a bank. Bank there.
So when me go get it?
But me can't draw 300,000 one time. Your bank account?
You realize say.
Me wait at your account.
Oi.
Give me the account.
No, nice over here.
You give your money.
You have my bank account number in your phone long time.
Alright.
I mean, wait. Want me tell them?
It's easy, man. Let's start it out.
And then tell your wife. Send it 300,000 right now. You're bright. Right now, me want it.
Me go send the money to you.
Oh, there.
Alright.
How much can you get me front? More than 300,000 times. Send it right now. You have my account number in your phone for a long time. You beg me 300,000 front too much time. You gone over 3 million. If you can give me 300,000, you can go on like I know how much million and chilling you give me. You better send me before me start ball out over here and tell you.
I me send the money. The money I come. Just relax.
Send the money come give me. Cause $300,000.
That be nice.
You're nice over here. Make nice over here. Make people them here.
Alright, see money send there. The money send, can. The money send. But guess what I got beg if you do?
The money send.
You see?
Me make mistake and left my phone and my yard. You see if me go home and see it you will find out.
The money send, Candy. Alright, you are going. Rain or fall, and me kind of really feel away right now.
You see Uno man? You see Uno stay? You see when you come on to begging woman in front, Uno come on and nice them up, baby, you know I love you. And when you take out the money, you want dirty pocket, I will cut off your, hey boy.
The money send, just...
You want that? You want that? I will cut off that back side.
The money send, just go on.
You want me to make pay nice over your yard?
Just go on. And guess what now? Me not in a part no more. Me done. It's when you get the draw.
Junior, let me tell you one last thing before me leave. You see, any of me go me and look on my phone and the money not sent to me account.
I'm sure you did it.
A trouble over here. You and your woman are left same time. And me they come in with me clothes them. And you can't put me out and me have news to tell you. Boy, the last time me give it to you, you breed me. Oh, take that straight in your head.
So me a breeder. Me a breeder. And if she not breed and a trick me.
Right up. No, sit down. Me tired, but me feel stand up. Jada, you know the real reason why we carry out? No. Because, remember say I'm a niece, you know. You understand? And I know say, I neglect you a few weeks ago. And I know you might think that I don't love you as your auntie, but don't make it devil fool you. I still love you. I love you very much. And me have one friend where me get some money from. Yeah. And then a little bit of money and enough money so I carry out to treat you because I just feel say you they believe say me neglect you. I don't neglect you. So I carry you out you enjoy yourself. That's why I carry you around here. So you see the river beautiful? Yeah. Look nice, not true? So guess what? So when you leave from here, so I carry you go buy something nice. Here? Alright, you know some I love you, you know my niece. You're my only niece. Here? Yeah, you have to behave yourself, you know.
Auntie, for sure, you know, because nowadays you have to live good with people, you know, because everybody are dead. See all the miserable woman, the partner woman, you see, can't lick her done.
That's for me here. But if you be careful when you walk on the street. Here,
Yes, Auntie.
you're my only niece. You don't have nobody else but me. And you see the time that when you think that me neglect you, me no, me never. I am going to treat you to all that, my love. So just forget about this neglect thing, because I do love you. You have something nice here. Come walk, go down the road.